Welcome on today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I caught 5 frees to reward on my GBP on USD JPY. But before we dive right into the chart, before we show you guys how I caught 5% out on GBP on USD JPY, I'm simply going to take you to my dashboard on FundedNext. I'm going to take you guys on my FundedNext account, and you see that the FundedNext account I bought, the 15k FundedNext account I bought, is not going on the right path, guys. It's not going on the right path. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything that happened and how I caught that 5% return on USD JPY. Since that trade happened a few days ago on USD JPY. That was the exact trade that got me that 5 out. But before I go into breakdown on how I get this setup, everything that I saw before going into this trade and how the trade went and the emotion that was behind this trade, that everything that went down, I want us to look into my FundedNext account. As you all know, guys, that I've been trading this 15k FundedNext account that I bought, and this account went down. For me to, as you can see, that this is the account. If I go to details, you go to details on this account, you can see that minimum trading days have been passed, and this account is right now sitting on 13,724, 13,700. That is almost more than 8% down, 8% on drawdown on this account. We are 8% on the, I think 8.5% in drawdown, as you can see from the maximum drawdown. The max drawdown here is 1,500, and you can see that we are at minus 8.5% drawdown on this account. And on the daily drawdown, we have a maximum of $750 on daily drawdown, and we went down on a daily drawdown of minus 3.5% on this account. On this account, we went down as low as 3.5% on a daily drawdown, and an overall drawdown we are at minus 8.5% on this account, guys. So what actually happened on this account was it was so terrible that what really happened on this account was, when I bought this account, the excitement of getting big account, because this is the first time I'm getting a very big account that is above $5,000 account. So all my profile account I've been trading have always been 5,000, 5,000, 5,000. So if I should go to the trading history, $1,000 evaluation account, with a hope that I'm going to pass it. And if I should go to my trading history, if I should go to the trading history, if they are going to show me all the trade history that I have taken on this account, you see that I was so messy on this account. Can you just see on this account? Say profit factor 0.63, win rate 3.77% win rate. Average profit and loss is 1.23. And total trade I have taken on this account, the total trade I have taken on this account is 154 trade I have taken on this account. I think this account, I bought this account almost 2 months or 3 months ago. I can't remember. Let me go to, okay, this is filter buy and sell. Let me just say start date. If I should go to July, I think this account is either from June 27 that I bought this account. Let me just see, from June 27 that I bought this account, if I'm right. I was so messy when I bought this account initially. I was so messy. I was taking reckless trade. The very first month I bought this account. Okay, let me just start from July, from 1st of July, or let me use from 2nd of July. But I bought this account there about around okay, this is 2nd of July, this is 30th. Okay, this is 30th of July, this is 30th of June. I know I bought this account around 27th of June. That was when I bought this 15K account. As you can see that this is on 30th. I took two trade. I took two trade on GBP The first one went down 0.5%. The other one went down 0.5%. My first trade I took on this account already lost 1%. Like I was just overexcited about everything. And it's something you should take note of. Whenever you are buying a prop firm or you are getting into this trading industry, excitement is something you have to deal with. It's something you have to deal with as a trader, because it will affect you more than your strategy. Excitement will affect you more than your strategy. If I go further in history, on this account now, this is July. Let's go down to June. This is July. I start from 1st to 31st of July. Okay, from 1st to 31st. Okay, let's see. This is all the trade I took on July. As you can see from the trading history, I was just everywhere. I traded GPUSD, I traded gold, I traded UK 100, I traded German 30, I traded index 100, which is Nasdaq. I was everywhere trading everything. If I click on show more, I see I was everywhere trading everything. But strategy which I have backtested only support GBP and USD I cared about having a big account of $15,000 account. I just wanted to be everywhere. I was just having that pride. I want to show that I have gotten a big account. And one thing I have to understand in trading, that trading does not support those who are in a hurry. If you are in a hurry, you'll be slow in trading. And if you are slow, you'll be hurry in trading. That's one thing I have come to understand within these few months experience of trading this $15,000 account. If you go more in history, you can just see I was just taking unnecessary trade everywhere until this was July, until this month of August. Then at that point it was already late on this account. I was down seriously on this account. If you go to the calendar on August, you can see that red, you are just having loss everywhere. This was the last trade I got 5R on USD. That was the trade that gave me that 5%. And I'm going to tell you how much I risk on that trade, because a time comes on this trade that I was just barely $30 to breach the account. And the promise I made to myself that I'm never going to breach this account, even if it's going to take me 2 years to pass this FundedNext $15,000 account. I'm never going to breach it. So when my account dropped to 1% before breaching the account, I reduced my risk. That was when I actually woke up from my dream. That was when it was clear in my eye that what I'm doing now is not sustainable. Then I have to go back to my drawing board. Going back to my drawing board is then sticking to GBP USD and USD JPY. And you see that this is the trade that I've been taking. You can see here, I was still taking gold at this point. August, I think from August 15 was when I started sticking. From this 15 was when I made a decision that I'm going to drawing board. As if you watch from the 15th, when I made that decision, this is 15, 16, 17. 17th was when I take the first trade. I took a buy setup on USD JPY, and I took another buy on USD JPY that came with $14 and $15 in profit. Then I took another trade on GBP USD the following day, being on 18, that went into SL. But the one thing I decision that the loss I was making was following my rules. Because if I go to my journal now, if I take it down to my journal, as a trader is actually knowing what is wrong with what you are doing. If you cannot identify with what is wrong with what you are doing, you just keep on making the same mistake over and over again. So when I went back to drawing board on 15, I was able to find out that the problem is not actually the market, but the problem is actually me myself.